Hey guys, this week we are making tiny cherry trees using wire and nail polish. A while ago I had a dehydrator quit working and I cut the cord off of it. And I'm looking at the frayed end of it and I'm thinking, I could probably do something with that wire. So I stripped it and I'm looking at it and it's really delicate and it's coppery, which is really pretty. So I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, what can I make with this? And then I thought, I can make a tree with it. And then I'm thinking, ooh, I can use nail polish and make it look like a cherry tree. So I'm just twisting it to be a little bit tighter and for that part to be the trunk, and then I'm figuring out which end is going to be the base and the roots, and the other end is going to be the top with all the branches and flowers that we're going to do. It was actually really hard with how thin and delicate the wire was to fold it over on itself with the pliers, and I ended up finding a small tiny screwdriver that I could use to help fold it over on itself, which worked great, but it was kind of funny that the tools that are made for this sort of thing didn't work. I picked out 5 different shades of pink nail polish to use for the flowers on these trees. Maybe in the future I will do a more accurate cherry blossom tree. I don't know, leave a comment below if you want me to do that though. because of how delicate the wire was, I had to be really careful about folding it over on itself. And I only did 3 trees like that, and I left the other one unaltered, just branches sticking out. And I was curious to see how the nail polish would stick to that, if it would work at all, or if it would just like drip off. But some of it did stick on, and I'm actually kind of interested to play with that idea a little bit more. Maybe throw in a pom-pom on top, or roving to give it maybe like a Seuss vibe, which would be kind of fun. I had some green nail polish, so instead of making all of the trees cherry trees, I decided to make one of them just a regular tree. I finished painting, and now they just need to be attached to something so they don't get damaged or lost or separated. I was thinking either using a rock or a piece of wood of some sort, and I had more wood available at the time, so that's what I decided to go with, and I just glued them on. I might add some moss later or something else. I don't know. I think these turned out super cute. I kind of want to make some more, trying out some other ideas and maybe making a different kind of tree or a couple of different kinds of trees. If you have any suggestions for other species or different kinds of trees I should make, or if you want to see that in a future video, leave a comment below. that is going to do it for this week's video. Like the video if you like the video, subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you next time.